Hi everyone, welcome to WP Pocket. In today's video, I will show you steps to reset your WordPress admin password from the cPanel. You can also use this link, lost your password, to reset your WordPress admin password. In the next page, you will be asked to enter your email address or username to receive an email to reset your password. Or you can reset your password from the cPanel. So go to your cPanel, open File Manager and phpMyAdmin in a new tab. You can also find phpMyAdmin under the databases option. Now go to the phpMyAdmin page, click on the plus sign to see all the databases. If you have multiple websites, then you will see multiple databases. Now you need to find the correct database to change the password. So to find the correct database, first option is wp config file. So go to your file manager, select the root folder of your domain. Now right click on the wp-config.php file and view this file. Here you will see your database name. As you can see, this is the correct database which we need to edit. Click on this. Now to confirm the database is correct or not, click on the wp_ options. Then you will see your domain name, which means you are going to edit the correct database. Now to reset the password, select wp_users. Then you will see all the users in this table. As you can see, under the user password, there is an encrypted code. This is MD5 encrypted code. So if you will click on this and change the password, and if you will go to your website and enter a new password, you will again see the wrong password message because it's an MD5 encrypted password. So to reset the password correctly, click on the edit button, then enter your password which you want for your website. Now click on this drop down and select MD5. Now click go to save this file. As you can see, this time you can see MD5 encrypted password. Now go to your website and enter a new password. And click login. As you can see, this time the password is working perfectly. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching WP Pocket.